Hello everyone, welcome to day 24 of Feel Good Yoga. I'm Tejasvi and today we have a quick little practice to pamper our wrist and the ankles. We get so much done with our wrist and the ankles, so let's send some love, energy and pamper the wrist and the ankles. Wear something comfortable and get onto the mat. Let's get started. Roll the shoulders back and down, sit tall, take a breath in and breathe out. Relax yourself completely. We'll join our palms together in front of the heart and we'll chant Om. Om. Observe the vibrations of Om spreading throughout the body, relaxing the body completely. And now gently you may open the eyes, keep the palms there and press the palms against each other. Keep pressing the palms, shoulders are relaxed and press the palms. Keep pressing with a smile, press, 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 press a little bit more, press. If your wrists are a little tender, you will start feeling it. Otherwise, keep pressing. Press, press and relax. Just shake your hands, relax. Once again, join the palms. Press the palms against each other, keep pressing and we'll make a circle. You press the palms against each other and make a circle. 2, keep pressing the palms. 3, you'll feel it in your fingers and the wrist. 4, press the palms. 5, and opposite direction. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Center, press the palms and now take the palms and point the fingers towards the floor. Come up. Once again point the fingers towards the floor. Namaste in the opposite direction and come up. Last time. And up and relax. Release the hands. Relax. Now take the hands forward. Move the wrist front and back. Bend the palms down and bring them up. Down and up. Down and up. Down and up. And come back to the center. And now as if you're cleaning a window or you're fixing something, just move the palms in a circular direction. 3, 2, you'll also feel it in the bicep. 2 and 1. Relax, just release the hands, shake your hands and relax. And now, as if you're catching something in your palms, just catch and then we will rotate the palms, making sure you're catching a very important thing in your hand and it is not falling down. Clockwise direction. 3, very good. Continue. 2, last time and relax, release the hands and now point the fingers outwards. I remember playing with the shadows when I was a kid, you know, 2 of them fighting in the same way. Point the fingers outwards and hold it there and now bend the fingers. Point the fingers out and bend. Point, bend. Point, bend. Point, make a fist. Point and fist. Point, fist, point, fist. Last time and make a fist. Relax. Just shake your hands. Release. Make a fist with your hands. Lift the elbows up and we will move the wrist down and up. Down and up. Down, up. 2. Continue. 3, 4 and 5. relax, and to the sides. So as we keep using the phone or you are typing on your laptop, the wrist get a lot of tension. So as we do this, it relaxes the wrist region. 3, 4, and 5. Relax. You shake your hands again and release. And we'll make a circle with our wrist, clockwise direction, making a fist. 2, 3, 4, 5. Opposite direction. 2, 3, 4, and 5. We'll interlace the hands and again make a circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, and relax, release. Now straighten both the hands. With the right hand, pull the left fingers in. Keep pulling them in. It looks like this. Pull the left fingers in, and relax. Now pull the right fingers in, and relax. Release the hands. Now slowly come onto your hands and knees. Just relax here. And now place your palm facing upwards, and see if you can straighten the right hand. And relax. Now place the back of the left palm and the palm facing upwards towards you. Stay there. And relax. Now see if you can turn both of them, fingers facing you, palm facing upwards. And now slowly see if you can sit on your knees. You can get the fingers a little forward. See if you can hold it there. 3, 2, and 1. Slowly relax the hands and release. Once again, place the palms on the floor, curl the toes in and lift the knees off the floor and just hold it here. There's a slight pressure on the palms. Just hold here, keeping the stomach in and engaged. Stay, 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 stay. A little more time. Few more breaths. 2 and 1. Lift the hips up. Come into the downward facing dog. Take a breath in and breathe out. And now gently walk your hands back towards the legs and slowly come up. And now we will walk as if we are wearing a high heel. So lift the heels up. Imagine you're wearing the high heels and gently walk forward. Let's do the catwalk. And forward. Continue. So wearing high heels is only allowed on the yoga mat, the imaginary heels. Otherwise, if you wear the high heels, it will affect your back. Last time. One more circle. And come to the center and relax. Breathe in and breathe out. Now if you have a block handy, just take the block, or you can take a pillow. Now place the right toes on the block. Lift the heel up and down. Once again, up and down, up, down, up, down, up and down, up and down, up and down. Now press the heel onto the floor and slowly start bending forward. And stay here, look towards the knee. Take a breath in and breathe out. Feel that stretch in the back of the leg and the calf muscle. In and out. And slowly breathing in, we come up and relax. Now with the other leg, lift the heel up and down, up and down, up and down, up, down, up and down, up and down. Now lift up, hold, 3, 2, 1. Press the heel down, bend forward from the waist, look towards the knee. Stay here. Take a breath in and breathe out. One more breath in and exhale. Relax yourself. And now slowly come up and relax. And now gently place both the toes on the block or the pillow that you have. Just hold it there. Feel that stretch in the back of the legs. Stay here. 3, 2 and 1. Now see if you can just bend the right leg. Come back. Bend the left leg and press the heel onto the ground. Right, back, left, back. Right and left. Right and left. Right and left. And relax. Release the legs. Relax. You can remove the block. Lift the heels up. Press the toes onto the floor. Just hold it here. Keep holding. Lift the heels up. Stay. And now slowly, looking at a point, finding your balance, bend the knees. Slowly come down. Place the palms on the floor. Place the knees on the floor. Just hold it here. Pressing the toes onto the floor. Just stay here. Take a breath in and breathe out. One more breath in and exhale. Relax yourself. Stay. Now place the palms on the floor. Lift the knees up. Join the hands in front of the heart. Stay. 3, 2, 1. Place the palms on the floor. Let the knees go apart. Hold. 3, 2 and relax. Release the palms and slowly come back. Sit in between your heels and relax. Now see if you can comfortably sit in between your heels. Pressing the palms onto the floor. Lift the knees up. Just hold it here. As much as possible, lift the knees up. Stay here. Keep focusing at a point. Keep lifting the knees up. Breathe in and breathe out. Feel that extension in the front of the ankle. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Relax the knees. Release. Now place the palms behind you, palms facing you, and lift the hips up. Relax the head and release. Slowly come back and release. And now relax the legs. Place the right foot on the left thigh. Now catch the right foot and make a circle. Lovingly guiding your foot, make a circle in the clockwise direction. And then opposite side. And relax. Now with the other leg, bend the left leg from the knee, make a circle. And opposite side. And relax and release. And now we'll just rotate the feet here in clockwise direction. You can place the hands behind, just rest and rotate. And then other side. Very good. And now take the hands forward, rotate the palms and the feet together. See if you can synchronize both of them. Very good. Opposite side. And release. Relax the hands. Move the legs from In and out. Keep moving them in and out. And relax. Just let your legs feel free, loose. Get the feet together. Pull one foot in, the other foot flexed out. Once again. And other side. One foot in, one foot out. Keep flexing and extending the other foot. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Come to the center, relax. Now gently lie down on your back. Lift both the legs up. See if you can straighten the legs, and we'll rotate the foot. Clockwise direction, rotate from the ankles. 1, 2, keeping the neck and the spine relaxed. 3, 4, 5. Opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now bend the knees, hug them close to the chest. And then cross the legs. See if you can curl the right foot around the left into the eagle legs, and the hands right over the left. Lift the hands up, join the palms. Now lift yourself up, join the elbows and the knees together and go back. Relax. Once again, join and back. Join and hold and relax. Release the hands. Now change the legs. Left hand comes on top, right hand below, eagle arms. Lift and relax. Once again, lift and relax. Last time. And relax. Release the hands. Take the hands at shoulder level. Drop your legs onto the left. Look to the right. Breathe in and breathe out. One more breath in and exhale. Come up, change. Now slowly drop your legs onto the right. Look to the left. Take a breath in and exhale. Relax. And slowly come back to the center. Release the legs, relax the hands. Just observe the flow of energy towards the ankles. Relax the wrist. Take a joyful breath in and breathe out. I'll chant a mantra, you may listen and relax. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramaya, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kashit dukhabhat bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Gently move the fingers of your feet and hands. Roll on to the right side. With the support of both your hands, you may sit up. Rub your palms, place them on your eyes. Looking at the palms, you may slowly open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining us. May you stay fit and calm. See you tomorrow.